so nerve-wracking. I mean, when you do the other side, try and line up the thing on the body line
that's
right
what
there.
I'm trying to do is like, if it's here, but like, then it's like, where does it?
Yeah, because it's going to follow the roof line back.
Hey everyone, Charles here with CNC Pony Traders. Got a real quick product review for you this week. Haven't seen it for a while, but we've got the 2009 California Special. You can see it behind me a little bit. Trying out the American Muscle quarter window louvers or covers, however you want to describe them. It's a quick install, and we'll show you a quick look how we did that and what it looks like. And if you've been with us for a while on the channel back in December, you remember us picking this up at Mecum. This is Chaz's 2009. As I said, it's a California Special GT. And what we're talking about today are these quarter windows right here. Changed the look of the car, give it a little more 60s vibe. We'll show you how easy it is to do these. Took us about an hour and really changes the look of the vehicle. These are the full flow. We'll see if we can get you a camera shot. You can kind of see there it goes all the way through. There is no screens that came with it. You could probably add those later if you wanted to. And again, that's a little better look, I guess, as to just how the air goes through and there's nothing hiding. That should help them stay on a little bit. They are held on with 3M tape. So not having the inserts probably creates a little bit less wind drag for you. And as you can see, they do change the appearance of the vehicle pretty dramatically, in my opinion. Quick shot of the other side, and we'll show you how we got them there. Stay tuned. And here's a little better shot. You can see how they're packaged from LMR? American Muscle, sorry. So many choices and so many cars. These are American Muscle's quarter window louvers for the 2009 Mustang. That didn't sound good. And as you can see, we did opt for the pre-painted. As we said, these do require a little bit of prep work. You've got to do the placing of the 3M tapes that involves using the adhesive promoter included, and then just going around the outside to get that 3M around all the edges. Okay, so here's the adhesive prep that comes with the kit. I guess it's double wrapped, as Chess just found out. We'll start with the just liberal wiping around the edges to get the 3M tape to stick. And because this is a true family event, we've got a nice shot of Georgianne's thigh there, so we'll get a little camera face time. Say hi.
Hello, CNC Pony Trader fans.
She's doing her best to be a member and help out with the directions. Okay, you can see you just put that around the edge. We'll let Chaz smile at you and tell you how long that took. Well, we got the smile anyway. 2 sides, what'd you think, 10 minutes?
Yeah, about 10 minutes.
Alright, 10 minutes. And now we're ready to go test fit it on the car as soon as he finds the other piece.
It's behind you. It's not where I put it.
Alright, we're going to move outside real quick. Did this inside our parts room. As you can see, we've got, as promised, the Fox body parts, 2020 GT parts, Celine parts, more Celine parts, and as you know, if you have the hobby, it'll take over your life and your house.
I tried opening it. Oh, I don't know which one to give you.
I was going to let you open that.
Okay. Alright. Alcohol wipe is ripped and ready.
Alright, again, just prepping the surface with the alcohol wipe, obviously provided in the kit. Just getting any oil and wax and anything, any contaminants off for a good adhesion. And then of course the tricky part is obviously getting this right the first time, because now you've exposed the 3M tape, so.
What do you think?
Obviously cover the window, but I would be kind of line up the back. It can overhang in the front.
There.
It looks pretty good. Again, if we were professional installers, we probably would have taped that off and measured it, but just use the old eyeball test, I guess. You can see on the front they don't have any inserts. It's a full through flow scoop, so you do want to make sure you get that adhered to very well. It's going to catch a lot of wind, and you want to make sure that it stays on your car. Again, get you a quick shot here. You can see the side profile, and as you can see the light out the back. It is a, as I said, full flow. No inserts in the kit. I guess you could add them if you wanted to make them non-functional. They don't really direct air anywhere meaningful. Probably just creates drag and actually slows your car down. But stylistic wise, they look pretty good. Give it a little bit of that 60s flair. Get you a quick shot of the other side before we put that on. And you can see just the regular quarter window. And as I said, pretty dramatic. Between the two sides. Definitely adds that little something. We've got the wind picking up now, so if audio gets bad, I apologize. One of the trickier parts, as we showed you, is once you get the first side on, you can see Georgianne working on getting that back side on. It's fortunately it's very sticky, but it does make removing the protective backing a little bit tricky. So we're just using a knife to try and get a sliver started, and then it peels off pretty easy once you get it started, but getting that edge is difficult. Maybe if you have good fingernails or an X-Acto knife, that'd probably work even better. Okay, final check on the other side in place. And we've got the second one on. starting to lose the light a little bit. First day in about 10 days that we haven't had torrential downpours here in Houston. So take advantage of it when we got it. Hopefully in the morning we can get you a shot in the sunlight. Start to finish, whole project is probably 35-40 minutes to an hour, depending on how meticulous you are. But again, these are the quarter window louvers from American Muscle and the 2009 California Special.